I want to welcome you to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. The Cook Sisters will be with you every week for as long as the U.S. Botanic Garden is unable to offer its regular on-site programming. Today's topic, stone fruit. What is stone fruit, you ask? Well, everything that's available in the summer. Peaches, nectarines, plums, that sort of thing. And we're also going to pay a visit to the other cook sister, Adrienne, who's going to share some tips on irrigation. But first, let's get going with our peach and tomato salad. Peaches, like tomatoes, are a great source of lycopene, which helps prevent disease. The first step is to cut up your tomatoes. You need 2 cups, and that can be from a large tomato, or cherry tomatoes, or a combination. Put the tomatoes in a bowl and sprinkle very lightly with about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and then set that aside while you prepare the peaches. Today I'm using a nectarine and a couple of white peaches, but here's where you can get creative. Any combination will do. Cut the peaches the same size you cut the tomatoes. Slice up some fresh mint, about 2 tablespoons, and set that aside. Just before serving, assemble the salad. Add the tomatoes to the peaches, but not the juice. Add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of a good olive oil. Next, add your mint, and then add 1 ounce of a creamy goat cheese. And remember, you can play with the colors on all these fruits and the tomatoes. The more the color, the better it is for you. So enjoy.
Hi, I'm Adrienne. Welcome to my garden. Today we're going to talk about irrigation. An overhead sprinkler delivers water easily and quickly. Irrigating morning and evening saves water and benefits plants most. And on scorching days, how about a 10-minute shower to cool them down in the middle of the day? For my pots, I use a bubble sprinkler to deliver gentle irrigation. Soaker hoses are key to effective irrigation. This kit includes everything you need for a small to medium-sized veggie garden. It's easy to connect hoses with the couplers that are provided. You may need to soak the rubber hose end in hot water to soften it, so it slides more easily onto the coupler. The beauty of soaker hose is that it delivers gentle, targeted water to plant roots with great efficiency.
Thanks so much for joining us today. We'll see you next week to talk about tomatoes.